You worked hard to become a peer support specialist. You studied, you took the courses, you took continuing education classes, you got the job, you love the work you do, and now you find yourself benched. The coronavirus has us all home looking for ways to stay productive, to feel meaningful, and to feel like we're part of a system that's doing transformational work. I know how you feel. My name is Mary Jadwisiak, and I'm the owner and founder of Holding the Hope. We do recovery-based workforce development, and specifically we do amazing peer support continuing education classes. I was looking for ways to be supportive of peers who are sidelined, looking for ways to stay meaningful, looking for billable hours. And I decided that I would take one of my most relevant workshops, supporting peers in crisis and suicide prevention. I modified it for today's communication world and where we're communicating via electronics instead of face-to-face. And I put it online. And I want to offer it to you for a ridiculously low price of $79. This is a workshop that usually costs $1,000, if not more. But I'm putting it online. I'm offering it to you for $79 because, first of all, it's fantastic information. And second of all, it's something I can do to be supportive here from my office. If you're interested, please go to holdingthehope.com/events and look for the Reintegrating Recovery Workshop Series. And you'll find Supporting Peers in Crisis Suicide Prevention Workshop. I hope that you'll join me. I'm hosting it on April 14th. So just 2 weeks from today, we're going to be learning a lot of really relevant things. Seating is topped at 100. And so after that, you'll have to call in. But I hope that I'll be able to see you on the call, on the webinar, and that I'll be able to provide you with really relevant and skills and information that you can use to support the people that you're supporting. Thank you so much for all the hard work you do, and I'll see you on the 14th.